Greetings, greetings, peace and love. This is Mama Ote, the Sister Ote of the Georgia Green Project, and I am here at the Montview Park Community Garden. We have just finished day 4 of 4 days of a winter camp, a new experience. We had some early spring tasks that were able to be completed. Very excited about that. We had some individuals shoveling snow into the plots because we wanted to have that water be in the plots and not in the aisles. This garden has an issue with, we're going to have a lot of work to do getting the aisles ready to receive our crusher fine. I'll just say it like that. We filled some receptacles with the snow because our water comes from Aurora Parks and Recs. Might not get water until May, so we are doing that. We started on the moon beds, Google Moon Gardens. Started that project. We had Kia Rue came out yesterday. Was very excited about that and did some coaching with us around tree architecture. So we were able to get our 4 trees ready for the spring. They are babies, but they're just old enough to be able to get a little bit of pruning, a little bit of, I'm not going to say manicuring, more of maintenance and health pruning is what they needed. We had 2 peach trees, 2 apple trees, and a pear tree. So we can't wait to see how that's going to play out. We did have apples last in September when we first got in the yard. We did have apples. That's basically it. Quite a few big long list of tasks. Really all I have left to do for the spring is get all the tools cleaned and everything sharpened. I need to get the materials for that. We might have been able to do that today, but didn't have what we needed because everyone's done so much work. Everything is done so quickly, so fast. I'm so excited. So I'm grateful for you tuning in. Be sure that you find us on Facebook, the Montview Park Community Garden. I am Sister Ote of the Georgia Green Project. We do have a website, a Georgia Green Project LLC.com. So if you want to keep up with what we're doing with the Georgia Green Project, find us on the website. If you want to keep up with what we're doing at the Montview Park Garden, find us on Facebook. And I will put how you can volunteer at this garden in the comments. Thank you for joining us.